How do you change a negative belief into a positive belief? The easiest thing for me is just do the opposite. When somebody says that I never have enough money to pay my bills, that's a negative belief. It's also not a fact. It's not reality. It might be your current judgment of the moment, but it's not a fact. What you do is change it into something positive. I now have more than enough money coming into me. The criticism I hear about a statement like that is they say, oh, it's not real. Neither is the other statement, I don't have more than enough money. Because that's a belief that will bring into it a reality to match it if you don't stop it. New Thought teaches you interrupt that pattern of thinking right now and think the opposite. More than enough money is flowing into my life. You start thinking that, you start saying that, you start affirming that, and you combine it with action, and you will start having money show up. Advice to somebody starting out with New Thought principles and ideas is to start small. It's like working out in the gym. You go in there and you don't lift the heavy weights, not the first day anyway. You pick up the baby weights, you go down the baby ski lift or whatever it's called when you go skiing. You take the easy road and you build your muscles. It's very common in New Thought for people to say that they're going to work on creating a parking place or attracting a parking place. And I've often made fun of that, thinking, well, wouldn't it be better if you attracted a car to park in the parking place? But you got to start where you start. So attracting a parking place might be the first way to do it. If you're a salesperson, it might be just increasing your sales a little bit. If you are alone and you're looking for your romantic partner, it might be taking those steps to start dating again, or going to the social clubs, or going on the internet and joining some of the places that you can find the people you're looking for. So I say start with the baby steps. As you build your muscle and you build your faith and you build your confidence, you can go after bigger things. What I think is the most important thing for you to take away is the idea that your passion is your inner compass. Follow your passion and it will lead you to where you need to go in life. When people say, how did you leave homelessness, how did you leave poverty, how did you get to where you're at, I would say, you know, I don't know that there's any one formula I could teach you that I did and you could do, but there is one method. Follow your passion, follow your inner guidance, follow your enthusiasms, follow your dreams. All of that leads you to the path that's right for you. That's what you want to follow, and that's the most powerful message I could give you. Follow your heart.